you can quickly relayer objects. So on the CAD tab, there's the relayer objects command. When I launch that, it's going to ask you to select the objects to relayer. So let's say I come in here and I want to relayer everything on this layer called, let's see here, on this layer here called plan road edge of pavement, and maybe I want to move all that. You can see it selects everything on that layer. Maybe I want to move that to a target layer called, let's see here, let's go road curb back, let's say, just so we want to change that layer, so I can pick on that. And then when I click OK, it's going to relayer those. So now if I come in here and you'll see hovering over this layer or this object, you can see that that layer or that line is now on the curb back. So I've relayered everything on of those objects. You can do that with a single object or multiple objects.